making our Christmas memories.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne.
So today I'm making some paper ornaments. They are super easy to make. I am using my circle cutter, but you can use any round shape object and use scissors to cut them out. These are simple ornaments. You will require at least 16 circles. This will give you a very full look if you use around 16 circles, but you can make it with 8 as well. The more you add, the more full and beautiful it looks. All you have to do is fold them from the middle and create these semicircles. Once you have created these semicircles, you have to add glue on top of it and stick on the next semicircle. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is to make sure that the seams align. The more particular you are about that, the better it looks. You can take any yarn, thread, or even a twine, just loop it into a small knot and keep it aside. I've created around 8 of these round ornaments, and I think I'm going to create few more because I love them so much. This is an optional step, but it looks a lot more polished and chic without going tacky. Just run your glue stick on the seam like so and take any glitter of your choice. Now be careful, glitter goes everywhere, so make sure that you're using it with utmost caution, and then just turn around the ornament on the glitter. Just fluff the ornaments and all the glitter is only on the edge, and it makes the ornament look so chic. Just few dots of glue and then attach the string in the middle. Now to join the sides, you can use glue, but I have chosen to use some paper tapes so that I can rip them once Christmas is over and use them next year as well. They will just be very easy to store.
I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance.